When it comes to sun protection, I've found that most people choose to wear a ball cap or a trucker's hat rather than sporting a purpose-built sun hat, even if that means they might get a sunburn. So we improvise with a bandana, but tucking a bandana under your hat makes your head overheat, and trying to get it to stay put any other way seems impossible. So I decided to make the marriage official. Introducing the Firebox Adventure Hat, a premium quality ball cap / trucker's hat with strategically placed hook and loop fastening strips to pair with a good old-fashioned bandana. Achieve whatever level of sun protection you need without the humiliation of wearing a funny-looking sun hat. Mike, please tell us more.
Thanks, Steve. Steve's pairing of two classics, a ball cap and a bandana, not only provides practical sun protection for your adventures, but also allows you to have a cool-looking hat for everyday use. Let me show you. The simple addition of a bandana fastened with hook and loop strips achieves sun protection from any angle. Since the fastening strips run along the panel seams and the brim, it allows for the bandana to be secured anywhere on the hat. So even if you're walking into low sun, you'll be able to drape the bandana between your tender skin and those harmful rays. The bandana also comes in two sizes. A full size for shoulders and back protection, and a half size for neck and face protection. Both sizes come in two colors, light gray to match the hat, or white for some contrast. The adventure hat comes in two flavors, a curved baseball or ball cap, and a flat-brimmed trucker hat. Both hats are structured, so they retain their shape very well. They both include an inner sweatband and are made of a poly nylon blend to resist staining. Both are meshed backed for ventilation with a premium nylon webbing for infinite size adjustments, providing an extremely comfortable fit. Now for the hat differences. The baseball hat is 5-panel with a curved bill. It has a medium profile, meaning the brim should land around the top of the brow when pulled down tight. The hat has a circumference range of 20 3/4 inches to 24 inches. The trucker hat is 6-panel with a flat bill. It has a high profile, meaning the brim could reach down to your eyes or even further if pulled down tight. This hat has additional metal eyelets to further improve ventilation. The hat has a circumference range of 21.5 inches to 24 3/4 inches. Now, both hats are one size fits all, but the trucker hat tends to look best on larger heads, whereas the baseball hat looks best on smaller heads. They are both lightweight and they breathe really well. The trucker hat bill comes flat but can be trained to be curved. The bandana is traditional in size and print pattern. It's cotton fabric with the addition of the soft side of the hook and loop fastening strip sewn on in, has 2 lines across the top of the half-size bandana, and in 3 concentric squares in the full-size bandana. No matter how you place it, it stays put. Whether you're hiking in the remote wilderness to go fishing for a backcountry meal, or taking your kids to the parade, the Firebox Adventure Hat has you covered. Back to you, Steve.
Thanks, Mike. The Firebox Adventure Hat was born from me wanting the simplest sun protection possible in a familiar form factor. You can feel confident rather than self-conscious about the hat you have on your head. Get your Firebox Adventure Hat today.